asking about flight meal options. Excuse me, miss.
Yes, sir. How can I help you?
When will you serve the food?
We will start serving lunch in 20 minutes.
What are the meal options today?
We have chicken with rice or beef with pasta.
I do not like beef very much.
Then the chicken might be better for you.
Does the chicken come with vegetables?
Yes, it has carrots and green beans.
That sounds delicious and healthy.
It is a very popular choice on this flight.
Do you have a vegetarian option as well?
Yes, we have a pasta dish without meat.
Is there any cheese in the vegetarian pasta?
Yes, it has a creamy cheese sauce.
I think I will choose the chicken meal.
Okay, I will write that down for you.
Can I have a glass of water now?
Of course. Here is some water for you.
Is the meal included in the ticket price?
Yes, you do not need to pay extra.
Can I get a cup of coffee later?
Sure, I will bring coffee after the meal.
Thank you very much for your help.
You are welcome. Please enjoy your flight.
Apologizing for being late to meet a friend. Hi, I am so sorry.
You are late again.
I missed the bus.
It is okay, don't worry.
The traffic was very bad.
How long did you wait?
I waited for 20 minutes.
I am here for 1 hour.
I feel really bad about this.
It happens sometimes.
Can I buy you a coffee?
Yes, that would be nice.
Let me pay for lunch too.
No, coffee is enough.
Are you hungry?
A little bit.
What do you want to eat?
Maybe a sandwich?
I know a good place nearby.
Is it far from here?
No, just 5 minutes walk.
Okay, let's go there.
I promise I won't be late next time.
I hope so.
My alarm did not go off.
You need a new alarm.
Or maybe I need to wake up early.
That is a good idea.
Did you bring the book?
Yes, it is in my bag.
Great. I want to read it.
You can borrow it.
Thanks for waiting for me.
You are my friend.
The weather is nice today.
Yes, it is very sunny.
We can sit outside.
I like that idea.
Here is the menu.
What is good here?
The tea is very good.
I will have some tea.
And a cake for you.
Yes, please.
I am really sorry again.
Stop saying sorry.
I just feel bad.
We are together now.
That is true.
So, how was your morning?
It was very busy.
Do you have a lot of work?
Yes, too much work.
You need a break.
This meeting is my break.
I am happy to hear that.
Let's enjoy the afternoon.
Yes, let's do that.
Look, the waiter is coming.
I am ready to order.
Expressing appreciation for someone's friendship. Hi, how are you doing today?
I am doing great, thank you. And you?
I am fine. Can we talk for a minute?
Sure, what is on your mind?
I just wanted to say thank you
Thank you for what?
for being such a good friend to me.
That is very kind of you to say.
You always help me when I am in trouble.
Well, that is what friends are for.
Last week, you helped me with my work.
It was not a big deal.
Yes, it was. You saved me a lot of time.
I am happy I could help you.
You also listen to my problems.
I like to listen to you.
You give me very good advice.
I try my best to be honest.
I really appreciate our friendship.
I appreciate it too.
Life is hard without good friends.
We can face problems together.
I am lucky to meet you.
I am lucky to meet you too.
Let us hang out this weekend.
Yes, that sounds fun.
Thank you for everything.
You are welcome.
Offering help to someone carrying heavy items. You look like you need some help.
Yes, these bags are very heavy.
Let me help you carry them.
Oh, thank you so much.
Where are you taking them?
I am going to my car.
Is it far from here?
No, it is just over there.
Okay, I will take this big one.
Be careful, it is fragile.
Don't worry, I will be careful.
You are very strong.
I go to the gym often.
That is good for your health.
Do you need help with anything else?
No, just these bags.
Are you shopping alone?
Yes, my husband is at work.
It is better to have help.
I agree. It is hard work.
We are almost at the car.
Yes, I can see it now.
Should I put them in the trunk?
Yes, please open the door.
There? All done.
I really appreciate your help.
It is no problem at all.
You saved me a lot of time.
Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
Praise your friend's cooking skills after dinner. I am so full.
Me too. That was a great meal.
The food was amazing.
Thank you. I am glad you liked it.
The chicken was very delicious,
I used a special recipe for that.
and the soup was hot and tasty.
It takes a long time to make soup.
You cook better than me.
No, you are a good cook too.
What is your secret?
I just use fresh ingredients.
The salad was also very fresh.
I bought the vegetables today.
Everything was perfect tonight.
I am happy to hear that.
Can you teach me how to cook?
Sure, we can cook together next time.
I will help you clean the table.
That is very kind of you.
I want to eat this again.
I can make it for your birthday.
You are the best chef ever.
Stop it. You are making me shy.
I really enjoyed the dinner.
I am glad you came over.
Discussing concert tickets and venue details. Do you want to go to a concert next week?
Yes, I would love to. Who is playing?
It is my favorite band, The Cold Nights.
Really? I love their songs.
Great. I will buy 2 tickets for us.
That is so nice of you. How much are they?
They are $50 each.
That is a good price. Where is the concert?
It is at the city stadium.
Is that place big?
Yes, it holds 10,000 people.
Wow, that is huge. Is it far from here?
No, it is just 20 minutes by bus.
Okay. What time does it start?
The show starts at 8 o'clock.
We should leave home early.
Yes, maybe around 7?
That sounds good. We can find our seats.
Do you want to eat something before?
No, let's eat after the concert.
Okay, I will buy the tickets online now.
Please get seats near the front.
I will try my best.
Thanks. I am very excited.
Me too. It will be a fun night.
Don't forget to bring the tickets.
Don't worry, I won't forget.
See you next Friday then?
Planning a bowling or mini golf outing? Do you have any plans for this weekend?
No, I am free on Saturday.
Do you want to go out together?
Yes, that sounds like a great idea.
What activity do you prefer?
I really enjoy playing bowling.
Okay, or we could play mini golf.
Mini golf is fun, but I prefer bowling today.
There is a new bowling alley downtown.
Is it far from here?
No, it is only 20 minutes by bus.
That is very convenient.
What time should we meet?
How about 3 o'clock in the afternoon?
3 o'clock is perfect for me.
Should we invite other friends?
Yes, let's ask Sarah and Mike.
Do you think they like bowling?
Yes, we went bowling last month.
Okay, I will send them a message.
Do we need to book a lane?
It is better to book it in advance.
I will call the bowling alley now.
Thank you for organizing this.
Do they have shoes there?
Yes, you can rent shoes at the counter.
Good. I do not have bowling shoes.
Do you want to eat something there?
They have a snack bar with burgers.
That sounds delicious.
I am getting hungry just thinking about it.
We can have dinner after the game.
How much does it cost per person?
I think it is about $15.
That is a reasonable price.
Yes, it is not too expensive.
Are you good at bowling?
I am not a pro, but I play okay.
I will try my best to win.
We will see about that.
It will be a fun afternoon.
I am really looking forward to it.
Okay, I will book the lane for 4 people.
Great. Let me know if they have space.
Sure, I will text you later.
Thanks. See you on Saturday.